Hi everyone and welcome back. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I want to share with you a new release that's coming soon from IT Cosmetics. I was able to purchase 2 of these items on QVC as part of a bundle package, which I'll show you guys after because it's a fantastic deal. And I want to compare IT Cosmetics products with some similar ones. I'll show you some swatches and let you know how I feel about them. So the product that I'm talking about is IT Cosmetics is coming out with a shadow stick. These are the IT Cosmetics Superhero No Tug shadow sticks. These are absolutely amazing. I have never been so impressed with a shadow stick in my life. IT Cosmetics hasn't really released these yet. It says coming soon on their website. I'll insert some pictures up here. Luckily on QVC, part of a bundle, they're actually giving you 2 colors. It's the Silk Armor and the Bionic Bronze. This is the Bionic Bronze and this is the Silk Armor. And they're both shimmer colors. It looks like IT Cosmetics is coming out with 12 colors. It looks like there's gonna be 6 matte and 6 shimmers. I'll show you the colors up here. They look absolutely fantastic. I plan on getting all of the colors if I can. They're $24 each, and they have a lot of skincare loving ingredients, which I think is great for everyone. I appreciate the skincare ingredients because I have very crepey eyelids. I am 47 years old and my eyes look older than 47 years old. I see a lot of people who are much older than me that have beautiful eye areas. IT Cosmetics says that they are a 16-hour wear, waterproof, creaseless, and buildable, and the skincare ingredients are caffeine, collagen, tripeptide complex, and ceramides, which I think is fantastic. I'll show you the colors right now. I've been wearing these every day. They last the entire day. It looks like I had just put them on at the end of the day. If you are interested in the bundle package from QVC and you can try out these 2 colors, which are fantastic, I think these will go on any skin tone, whether you're light skinned or dark skinned. I think these would look absolutely beautiful. Bundle package on QVC, you get a full size Your Skin But Better CC, which is fantastic. It has the SPF 50+, and you get to choose your color. You also get the Heavenly Luxe brush. It's the 702, it's like a special edition. It is very cute. Sorry, it's dirty. I've been using this thing every day. This is a fantastic brush. I've never been super impressed with IT Cosmetics brushes, but I'm really enjoying this one. It is very, very soft. It's dense. It's such a nice brush. You get the 2 Superhero No Tug shadow sticks, and you also get a full-size Superhero mascara. The price for the whole bundle is $54.96 and then $3.50 shipping, which is a fantastic price. If you've been wanting to try any of these products, I think this is a huge value. Just alone, if you were to separate them, it comes to like $160. So for $54.96 plus the $3.50, I think that's absolutely fantastic. Now, just for comparison, I wanted to show you some of the other shadow sticks I have and tell you how I feel about them and how they rank and compared to these 2. Now, the first 2 that I'm gonna mention is the Thrive. I have 2 of the Thrives. Now, these have some skincare ingredients in them. These have macadamia and meadow foam seed oil for added hydration. They are paraben, sulfate, cruelty-free, no phthalates, no synthetic fragrance, and they're also vegan, so that is really nice. If you're not familiar with these, they are a cream to powder. They're all about the same size to all of these sticks. They're all either 0.49 or 0.5. The 2 colors that I have are Muna and Stella. I enjoyed these 5 sticks when I first got them. The only downfall with these is they are shimmery, but they're actually glittery. I would put these on in the beginning of the day. They would look fantastic, and by the end of the day, the color wore away, but the glitter stayed, if that makes any sense. So basically, I looked at my eyes and all I could see is glitter, and I actually had some glitter fallout down below and there was no color. So I don't know what it is with these. The color fades, the glitter stays. I think they go on smoothly. I like the ingredients. I like the company. I just don't like how glittery these are. The other 2 shadow sticks I have are from e.l.f. Now these are only $5 shadow sticks. And these are also vegan, cruelty-free, no sulfates, parabens, phthalates. And this also has the same type of oil, the meadow foam seed oil that the Thrive Cosmetics have. So they're definitely moisturizing. These were nice too. The only thing with e.l.f. sticks is they only come in a metallic hue. I have the Perfect Pearl and the Rich Amethyst, and these are not bad at all. They actually do wear pretty well. They did crease on me. Again, I use always a light color in my inner corner, and I use this for my lids. For $5, I think these are absolutely fantastic. Another shadow stick that I have is the Chanel, the Stylo Ombre Contour. I don't find this as smooth as some of the others. It's $34. It's retractable. Now I only have this one color. This is the electric brown. It's the number 04. It is like a glittery brown. I just feel like for $34 that there are other shadow sticks that perform just as well as this one does, if not better. And like I said, I do still use this. Actually, I've been using it recently. I'll just use it on my upper lash line and my lower lash line, but it does tend to fade away during the day. The last four that I want to compare is the Laura Mercier Caviar Sticks. If you're not familiar with these have been around for quite a while. The colors I have are Amethyst, which is a soft mauve with a pearl, Caramel, which is just a matte caramel. The Cocoa is a chocolate brown with a bronze pearl, and El Natural, which is just kind of a nude color. I'm sure my opinion is a pretty unpopular opinion when it comes to these sticks. I'm not a big fan of them. And I know a lot of people love these eyeshadow sticks. They're very blendable in the beginning. If you want to touch up during the day, you can't because they're just too dry. I have oily lids, and for whatever reason, by the end of the day, I find these very drying. It tends to get cakey looking, and it's just not pretty. I just don't like how they perform. I have to say, out of all of my eyeshadow sticks, I use these the least. I don't enjoy these. So that is it for today's video. I definitely wanted to share with you the IT Cosmetics eyeshadow sticks that are coming soon. I think you will really enjoy them. I absolutely love them. I haven't been a real fan of shadow sticks. These shadow sticks have definitely made me a fan. If you're interested in that bundle, QVC is still running that bundle. It's fantastic. It's definitely worth the price. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you felt it was informative. Anytime I find any deals on fantastic makeup, skincare, hair care, I will definitely share it with you. Please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. It will really help support my channel, and I will see you in my next video.